Oh my gosh, I hope you had as much fun yesterday as I did, opening up the pictures and seeing what everybody had submitted. I enjoyed those that were themed, I enjoyed the ideas, and I was struck with a huge amount of gratitude. I think, wow, I belong to a family that's full of diversity, that has had wonderful experiences. And it was a lovely feeling that was washing over me. So, guess what? We're going to keep the momentum going. This is going to be week 3 of the challenges. And next week's challenge for next Sunday is to show us a recipe, your favorite recipe. It can be done in the form of video, it can be done in the form of pictures, whatever you choose. But I'm guessing probably it's going to be followed with a exchange of, oh, can I get the recipe for that? So be prepared. Just putting it out there. See you next week.